Are you tired of slow loading times and unreliable web hosting? It's time to upgrade to WPX Hosting. WPX Hosting is a premium hosting solution designed specifically for WordPress websites. It offers blazing fast speeds, exceptional customer support, and specialized plans for WordPress and WooCommerce. Whether you're a seasoned blogger, a growing business, or just starting your online journey, WPX Hosting has the tools and support to take your website to the next level. With WPX, you can say goodbye to frustrating technical issues and focus on what matters most: creating engaging content and growing your audience. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the key features and benefits of WPX Hosting. We'll delve into its unique selling points, including its lightning-fast speeds, dedicated WordPress expertise, and top-notch customer service. We'll also examine real-world user experiences and compare WPX Hosting to its competitors. By the end of this article, you'll have a clear understanding of why WPX Hosting is a top choice for website owners seeking a reliable, high-performance hosting solution. So let's dive in and discover how WPX Hosting can transform your online presence. WPX Hosting is renowned for its exceptional speed and customer support. They understand that website speed is crucial for user experience and search engine optimization, SEO. With their custom-built content delivery network, CDN, and optimized servers, WPX ensures that your website loads quickly, no matter where your visitors are located. WPX Hosting also prides itself on its exceptional customer support. Their support team is available 24/7 via live chat and email, ready to assist you with any issues you encounter. They are known for their prompt and knowledgeable responses, ensuring that your website is always up and running smoothly. In addition to speed and support, WPX Hosting offers a range of features designed to enhance your website's performance and security, including daily malware scanning and removal, DDoS protection, and SSL certificates. These features provide peace of mind, knowing that your website is protected from online threats. WPX Hosting specializes in WordPress and WooCommerce hosting, offering tailored plans to meet the specific needs of these platforms. Their WordPress hosting plans include features like automatic updates, staging environments, and optimized caching, ensuring a seamless WordPress experience. For WooCommerce users, WPX Hosting offers specialized plans designed to handle the demands of online stores. These plans include features like high-performance servers, enhanced security measures, and WooCommerce-specific support, enabling you to run a successful online store with confidence. WPX Hosting's commitment to WordPress and WooCommerce is evident in their user-friendly interface and dedicated support team. Whether you're a seasoned WordPress developer or a WooCommerce beginner, WPX provides the tools and resources you need to succeed. WPX Hosting consistently receives positive reviews from users, praising their speed, support, and reliability. Users report significant improvements in website loading times and overall performance after switching to WPX Hosting. Many users also highlight the exceptional customer support they receive, with quick response times and helpful solutions to their issues. The positive feedback from real-world users reinforces WPX Hosting's reputation as a top-tier hosting provider. WPX Hosting's commitment to customer satisfaction is evident in their consistent efforts to improve their services and address user feedback. Their dedication to providing a premium hosting experience has earned them a loyal customer base. Like any hosting provider, WPX Hosting has its pros and cons. Let's take a look at both sides to get a balanced perspective. On the pros side, WPX Hosting is known for its blazing fast speeds, thanks to its custom CDN and optimized servers. Their 24/7 support team is highly responsive and knowledgeable, providing quick solutions to any issues. WPX offers tailored plans and support specifically for WordPress and WooCommerce users. They provide strong security features including daily malware scanning, DDoS protection, and SSL certificates for enhanced website security. WPX consistently receives positive feedback from users, praising their speed, support, and reliability. On the con side, WPX Hosting's plans are generally more expensive than some other shared hosting providers. Their plans offer relatively lower storage space compared to some competitors. Additionally, WPX Hosting does not provide email hosting services, requiring users to seek external email solutions. Despite the slightly higher cost, WPX Hosting's exceptional speed, support, and specialized features make it a worthwhile investment for website owners who prioritize performance and reliability. WPX Hosting stands out as a premium hosting solution that delivers exceptional speed, support, and tailored features for WordPress and WooCommerce users. Their commitment to customer satisfaction is evident in their responsive support team and positive user reviews. While WPX Hosting may have a higher price point than some competitors, their focus on performance, security, and specialized WordPress expertise makes them a compelling choice for website owners who demand the best. If you're looking to elevate your website's performance, security, and user experience, consider WPX Hosting as your ultimate WordPress solution. Click the link in the description to explore their plans and take your website to the next level. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content and share